I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarettes, Happy Father's Day. From drinking.
Today is June 21, 2020, and it's Father's Day. So we decided to treat our daddy at the house. And we got his cake at the newly opened Lailen's Pastries in the Oak.
Sick from drinking.
And this is what we got for him.
I will save you.
And I'm now waiting for the delivery of our order from Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House by Chef JJ.
There is nothing
And they arrived just on time. So the order is here and I'm gonna fix the food now. We have here Coke, the pasta, this one, corns, fresh salad. I'll show you. Those are the meats.
do it again.
Right before we start, we're just gonna visit Grandpa at his graveyard at Piara Santa Memorial Park to greet him a Happy Father's Day in heaven. Happy Father's Day in heaven, Grandpa! We miss and love you!
It's so easy.
Let's now go back home to prepare for the celebration.
There is nothing to be broken in this moment.
We got this salad, pasta with special sauce, smoked chicken and Wagyu brisket with corn on the side, chopped baby back ribs, barbecue sauce, potato salad, all from Smoke and Spices. We also got ube halaya, leche flan, and Sylvanas from Susie's Cuisine. And this is the cake that we got from Lailen's Pastries. And this is the feast for the king. Happy Father's Day, Daddy! We love you! Hi! Okay na po kayo.
Ay, nako. Kailangan okay na. Happy Father's Day.
Okay.
Happy Father's Day!
Let's take some pictures.
Don't let me think.
Okay. Time to eat, kabunggays.
Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun.
Kay just arrived. Thanks for the donuts. By the way, you can visit Smoke and Spices by Chef JJ on their Facebook page at the description down below. Happy Father's Day once again, Daddy. We love you.
Paano? Hindi ko pinipindot. Ano yung name?
Ayan, basta makita mo lang. Kita kami sa frame.
1, 2,
Hindi, ako nagbibilang. Happy Father's Day.
Ako, sige. Hindi, gusto ko talaga may Manilang organization. Oo, din naman.
1, 2, Happy Father's Day! Ulit. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share your thoughts by commenting down below. Click here for my latest videos. Follow me on my social media handles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.